Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable USB debugging mode. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on about phone, tap here, then go down, tap on software information. Here you can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter screen lock password. Verify your identity. Tap on OK. See the message developer mode has been enabled. Go back. Now under about phone you can find new option called developer options. Tap here. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me find USB debugging mode. Go down. Here you can see USB debugging. Let me enable. Tap here. Tap on OK. This way we can enable USB debugging mode. Later if you want to disable USB debugging, again come here, then just tap here and turn off USB debugging mode. Here on top you can see developer options on off button. Using this button we can turn on or off developer options. Let me turn off. Tap here. Done. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. Let me verify. Go back. See, now under about phone it's not showing developer options because I have disabled. This way we can turn on or off USB debugging mode and developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel. Please like and share the video.